Good morning! I'm back from my flower shopping. This is the one that I bought. Kanisha. And the eucalyptus that is very huge. Ganahan ko ang kay it's so humot. Ay! Ouch! Sakit. Ayan siya. Kung ibut ang andan ko. So, okay. Dagay na po di siya ibutang pang center is. Taga siya. Taas. Dapat yung pagputol, tupong siya. Yan. Diba? How pretty. Ay, makahappy din ang fresh flowers na makita sa balay, promise. Simple. Dagay na ako ni siya ibutang. Looks nice here. Nice. I'll make it half because I'm going to put it in my altar. So dapat may flowers akong altar always. Just so nice. I love it. So kani siya akong ibutang sa akong altar. And this go here. Ouch. Tada! Kaning mga gagmay, this one, I am just going to put it here. Kay akong ibutang sa kwarto. Here, right? See, you can also create na nice. See? It is simple, but it's just so nice. It makes the house fresher.